In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify LiteFinance account. Now, once you are inside your dashboard, if you may have signed up with like a demo account or something like this, and you still haven't gone through the verification process, what you have to do here is you want to click at the top right over here on this arrow, and then here you'll be able to basically do the verification. You could either click on Activate Real Trading or Continue Registration. So click on any of these, and there we go. It's going to basically take you into the part of the setup where you left off when it comes to your verification process, or this KYC over here, and then you just have to keep continuing it. So for me here, I'm currently on my address. The first thing you have to do is you're basically gonna have to put in your personal info, some of your basic details like name, surname, stuff like that. Then you're gonna have to verify your email, your phone number, and then you'll come to the address over here, and then you basically just keep on have to press continue, and you'll basically eventually, after putting in all your required info, you'll be able to get verified and your account is gonna be ready to actually start real trading, not just demo simulated trading on here. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.